How you guys and girls doing today? It's the Finance Man here, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything from crypto to real estate to stocks, you name it. In this video, we've got another massive update coming in for Time Wonderland, some good news coming in. But before we get into that, y'all, if you enjoy this kind of content, please make sure to hit those buttons down below, like that like and that sub button, so that way this content can get out to people who need to see it. Please hit those buttons down below, y'all, because I noticed that 93% of y'all that watch my videos are not subscribed, while 7% of y'all are. So if you hit those buttons, I really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow, and it's absolutely free. When you hit those buttons, you'll never miss a video from me. And when I hit 1K subscribers, I'm going to be giving away one BNB. So I appreciate that, y'all. Now with that being said, let's get straight into it. So we can see here that with Wonderland, the total stake to 642,000, not too bad. The treasury balance is still over that healthy, 841 million, and the current APY is around 68,000. So their APY has been going up a bit. So now let's enter the app. All right, and as we can see here, the price of time, y'all, like I had said previously, of course, this is not financial advice. You always got to do your own research because you never truly know. But I think that we've hit that resistance point. Anytime we start getting around that 2300 mark, we start going right back up. We were actually at 2,900 earlier today, almost about to hit 3,000. Maybe we hit it. We'll actually be checking the charts and figuring out. But 2634 right now, not too bad. That wrap memo price, we talked about that in the previous video, around 105,834. TVL still that 1.6 billion, market cap 2.3 billion. We have already discussed the APY. Treasury balance is looking fine. Backing per time 1309, and the runaway is still at 400 days. It's gone down like 2 days, but I mean that's minuscule, right? That's no big deal there. So now let's hop on over to the charts. All right, y'all, and here we are, CoinMarketCap. Of course, take a look at this. So 2644 is what it's showing right now, and as you can see, we started off the day on the 6th at 2726 right here, and we've had like steady ups and downs and things like that. It looks like today we actually hit an all-time high, so we did go back up to 3,000, which is very good. We hit 3,016, and then like I said, you did see that steady decline right back down, and now we're hovering around that 2,600 mark. So we did see that spike, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the news that we're going to be covering in a few minutes here that came out for time. But like I said, y'all, nothing too crazy as we look at these charts here, go to 1 month and 3 month and things like that. Like I said, people are taking out their profit. People aren't staking as long as most people are, and it's not really that much of a surprise, especially when we come up here and we take a look at the market like we always do. Y'all, today Bitcoin has dropped even lower. We're not going to dwell on the subject too much, but oh my goodness, man, the market is bleeding like crazy, y'all. 41,500. Ethereum is about to hit almost 2,900, 2K in the 2K range. That's crazy. And of course, like I said, when Daddy Bitcoin bleeds, everything else is bleeding. I mean, look at this, 8%, 5%, 7%. So the simple fact that Time is still able to keep up that price of 2,600, not tank massively like everything else, still speaks volumes of it. All right, and here we are at the Wonderland Money Twitter. So they have finally made an update here 12 hours ago. It says an important milestone has been achieved today. The DAO is proud to announce its first early stage investment. Read more about it in the blog. So planting seeds, Wonderland DAO. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. All right, so we can see here, this is not too long of a read, so we're just going to be able to go through everything and read this real quick. So let's take a look. Planting seeds, Wonderland DAO. It says, with a diverse set of investments lined up across Q1, Wonderland is positioning itself well to increase its presence across a multitude of industries. We are happy to announce that the DAO has successfully invested in a decentralized crypto betting platform called betswap.gg. This investment marks the first capital deployed by the DAO at a seed stage of the new project, an important milestone which differentiates Wonderland from its competitors, y'all. So that is amazing. Wow. Successfully invested in betswap.gg. By being part of a strong and fast expanding ecosystem, Wonderland is bringing immense value to projects which are looking to raise capital. Being one of the biggest DAO communities, which is true, Wonderland is offering a unique perspective for early projects. The eyes and opinions of a vibrant, fast-growing crypto community which is aligned to its treasury and the success of these early stage investments by holding WMemo token. And we talked about that in the previous video, of course, right? No longer Time, we want to do WMemo. And here are the allocation details right here with all the fancy numbers. It says the BSG token is the centerpiece of betswap.gg, providing DAO governance to the betting platform. It is designed to have the sole ability to decide the future of the protocol on any and all matters that can contribute to the enhancement of the platform. Wonderland owns 2 billion tokens. With this sizable allocation, the DAO will actively shape the direction of the protocol and correctly aligned to seek long-term success through the remaining vesting schedule. And they've even got a little example right here. So how betswap.gg works. So let's just say you pay $10 in Ethereum / stablecoin. Right here, it goes into betswap.gg. This goes towards, let's just say an example of the team, the Lakers here, or the Nets. It says back lay. And then right here, it's actually showing you what you would normally do. So if they won, you would be paying $14.2 or 1.5% commission in Ethereum / stablecoin. So it says 0.5 governance token stake reward, 0.5 team and operation costs, and 0.5 reserve and burn. Betswap.gg is truly decentralized and permissionless peer-to-peer matching engine of bets. This decentralized sports trading exchange connects makers and takers globally to allow bets on all sporting and esporting events. The second phase of BetSwap will focus on allowing wagering on popular online games, where a wager of chess can occur thousands of miles away between two strangers in a safe, trusted, and permissionless manner. So the DAO Opportunities Wonderland is kicking off 2022 on a high note with several investments being finalized in its first quarter. We are currently discussing an interesting opportunity to democratize access to staking on Avalanche and Phantom. You can find this discussion here, and over the next few weeks, Wonderland will be sharing further blog posts about acquisitions, investments, and a new fee sharing process. If you want to participate in the decision making, of course, you can always join them on the forums. Alrighty then, y'all, that right there is an amazing update. I mean, take a look at that. Yesterday we got that W memo update, and now look at this. The DAO has invested in its very first betting platform. An amazing update coming in. Last but certainly not least, of course, let's check out the main man, Daniel Sesto's Twitter. So we can go over here and we can see all the tweets for today. Okay, Frog Nation, we are all going to make it in DeFi. So let's see. This is an actual song. Let's take a look. Star Fox LaFlare, DeFi. Star Fox LaFlare DeFi official music video. He has an APY sweater on, a shirt on.
Bitches wanna see why. Goddamn, would you look at that APY? Abracadabra, magic spells in this bitch. Generation, no, I need that well.
Okay, well, you know what? That actually made my ears bleed, and that just makes me want to chop my balls off. That sounded absolutely horrendous. But, of course, I appreciate the support from Star Fox LaFlare, and you know what? If Daniel fucks with him, then I fucks with him. I'm never going to listen to anything from that ever again because it almost made me die. But you know what? He's supporting the cause, and I appreciate that. But let's just keep on going here. So let's see. In collaboration with Memspell, we can go past that. All right, Memspell, that's fine. I wasn't kidding when I said I was going to fight the suits and the VCs. We were just getting started. Of course, that's Daniel. Look at me. We are the VCs now. The high quality frog emoji. So you know it wouldn't be Daniel without a frog tweet. We are just in time. Investment DAOs are on the rise. Will they replace crypto venture capital? We are just in time. Get it? Time. Haha. The most important and hardest thing to do for a leader is to know when you're wrong and have the balls to pivot away from your mistakes. So that's just him being transparent right there. And this person said, do y'all see this for time? 596 million tokens, 0.0056, 1 billion tokens, 0.15, 500 million token airdrop for DAO owners. Situations like these are usually only available to VCs, but for once the DAO and all participants get to invest in emerging tech like this, this is huge. And then this right here is what we just went over. All that remains of the time we spent together is wonderful memories. W memo. And then that's what we just went over right here. The first Wonderland 5 seed investment, BetSwap GG, opens up a new era of venture capital and crowdfunding. A DAO can compete with VCs, getting even better deal flow thanks to the value proposition of a community of investors rather than a few suits. So that's the big news right there. And this is what I personally think made the price go up, just in my opinion. And that is it from the main man, Daniel himself. And one more thing, I just saw this update on Discord right before I was about to conclude the video. They are now on Arbitrarium. So it says users can buy WMemo on Uniswap. Be sure to use the correct contract code here. And that brings your total count to 4 chains: AVAX, Phantom, Ethereum, Arby, and now BSC. Binance is next, y'all. So that's huge, amazing amazing news right there for Time Wonderland. Alrighty then, y'all, and that is it for this video. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of this. Like I said, I'm extremely excited here. Like I always say in all the videos, of course, not financial advice. Always do your own research. But I think that it is very, very good. You know, we just got that update the other day on the W memo and how to wrap it and stuff like that, and why you should wrap your memo, or why you wouldn't want to if you're not in the US and things of that nature. And now we've got an update for it being one of the first DAOs to actually have an investment and a betting platform. So like I said, it's going to keep getting better and better. In all honesty, in my own opinion, the only thing that I think is holding Time back right now is, number one, just people who want to get in and get quick profit realize that they're not a millionaire within 1 week and they leave. And number two, because of the market bleeding itself. I feel like when the market starts to come back and it comes back heavy, Bitcoin starts rallying again and we're start seeing green instead of all this red, I think that Time Wonderland is going to absolutely take off, and we're still extremely early. We never truly know, right? But that's just my own opinion here. We are in it for the long term. We are holding, and we are frogs, according to Daniel. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to go wash my ears out because there's blood in them from listening to that song. But I appreciate y'all that watch my videos, and I will catch y'all in the next one. The Finance Man is out of here.